All right, traders, so welcome in. I've got a super important trading lesson for you guys today. This is really going to help you follow your path, your trading path, and reduce the FOMO and also give clarity because it can be confusing when we're on this path. So welcome in, much love, Trav here. And what I'm going to tell you is that you can succeed in this life taking any number of paths, and trading is one that you can take. And on trading, you have an endless opportunity of ways to make money. The Robbins Cup leader this year, trading Forex, 300% plus return, doesn't use a stop loss, has a 99% win rate. I would never do that, but I cannot tell him not to do that, right? I'm having a really profitable period trading a hedging strategy using order flow in the crypto markets. It's sort of hard to describe, but you can see how it is. You don't have to trade that way. You can trade indices at the open, you can trade stocks, you can trade gold futures. Now here's what's very important. By the way, welcome in, much love, fam. Trav here. If you don't know me, welcome in. You're going to encounter people on this path in life, and especially in trading. I don't know why. I'm not, if you think you know why, please comment down below. I'm trying to better understand it. But there's people who, it's very common, actually, this happens all the time, and I'm going to tell you, this is a big problem, because it causes FOMO and emotionalism, but people are convinced there's only one way to do things, and want to advise you to just do it their way. I'm not sure what it is, if they don't believe that it's possible to be successful other ways, or they're threatened that other people are being successful in other ways. I'll tell you, I don't really care how I make my money. I don't really care how you make your money. I'm trading in a way that makes sense for me, and you can learn things from me, right? I've got a system that you can get. I don't trade that system exactly, but there's things that I've learned from it that's really helpful, right? So you can take the same back-tested computer data and spin it to your own schedule, your own lifestyle, your own assets. I really don't care. You do you, right? My focus on this channel, in terms of the content I give, it's way more about psychology than anything else. And I upload my trading sessions really for accountability, also so I can review, and also so you can see what profitable trading can look like, but not how it has to look like. So, I mean, even in today, on my other YouTube channel, I got a comment from someone saying, you have to stop cryptocurrency trading and you need to instead do Turo. And I'm like, what? You don't know anything about my life. I don't want to buy out and rent cars. I don't want to do Turo. I want to crypto trade. Like, it's important to my story, right? I like it, and I've gotten really good at it. So why don't I stick with that, right? Got comments today from a guy saying, like, because I'm not long Bitcoin, like, it's a huge problem. I need to be just FOMO into Bitcoin. I have to FOMO into Bitcoin. Price is running without me. And it's like, well, I'm making money. I have a long on BNB. Why does it need to be Bitcoin if the whole market's rising? Like, I'm making money here. I'd love to make money here too, but I don't have to. I'm just trying to make enough to survive, yo. I had someone else the other day telling me I have to do XRP. Like, you have to get into XRP. It's the only way you can make money. Everything else is going to zero. Like, okay. You can do that. I don't care. I'm not here to convince you not to do that. You can do that, right? I got another comment recently. Someone telling me they advise me to move from Hawaii to the East Coast because I'll have a better lifestyle trading New York Open. And I'm like, you don't know me. I work on dolphin tours. Today I was in the ocean in the wild with bottlenose dolphins. I do hiking tours. I trade 30 minutes a day and I'm profitable. Like, why do I need to do it your day? I admit not trading New York Open is maybe an opportunity that I can't have, but I can make money this way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way in trading. I don't have to do it. I got another comment recently saying, like, you have to quit trading crypto and you have to trade index futures. So I just don't understand, because this isn't one person. It's coming from all sides of different people who are like, yo, I'm making money right now, and you don't need to copy me. Carve your own path, right? You have your own schedule, you have your own style, you have your own where you've invested your time, and maybe you understand a particular asset more, right? I understand the crypto market. I've been heavily invested in time for the past 5 years, so it makes sense to me. So, two psychological pieces of advice here. The first one is, again, choose your own adventure in trading, and really, this profitable trader and this profitable trader don't have anything in common, right? Like, I have almost nothing in common with the guy who's trading Forex with no stop loss, who's done 300% this year. Both styles work. Do whatever you want and ignore the people who tell you you have to do it their way. I'm still a fan of continuing education. I'm a fan of buying courses from people who you see doing well, because that adds to your knowledge, and you can take pieces and come back and build your own trading. I'm very confident of this because I've done the work of looking at, okay, the stock investing champion, the Robbins Cup leader, and looking at, like, okay, they trade different. And I've done the work of reading all the Market Wizards books and saying, like, this guy trades bonds and scalps. This person has a trend following system for gold. This person doesn't even look at the chart and makes killer money, right? There's so many ways to do it. So that's the first thing. Now, the second thing is, especially when you're new and you're not fully developed and confident, that can be destabilizing and cause FOMO when people are telling you that you need to do something. And these people are all over the trading space, on Twitter, on YouTube, on Discord. So me personally, trading is 30 minutes of my day, plus whatever YouTube I do, so maybe 40 minutes. And of that 40 minutes, 0 is consumption of trading content. I'm happy that you're here with me. I hope that I can be one of the traders that you follow, but I'm not on Twitter. I'm not on Discord. I do not talk to other traders basically at all at this point. I'm in my own Discord maybe 5 minutes 3 times a week right now. I don't watch any trading content on YouTube because I know there are these people out there who are going to tell me you have to trade this way, and that can cause me to feel FOMO, and I don't want to feel FOMO. I don't want any kind of influence other than what the market shows. And you could say, well, you had to put in all these hours on these spaces to get to the point you're at now. And I don't think so. I think I could have skipped Twitter, skipped Discord, skipped most of the courses, although, again, maybe just, yeah, I guess that was maybe necessary in the beginning. But I think if I just had Market Wizards, the charts, and no one else to talk to, I may have gotten here faster. But it's my own journey, and your journey is going to be different, right? You might do really well seeing everybody posting their trades. I don't like it, right? It stresses me out or causes me to spend more time. I'm perfectly happy with my trading system, and I'm perfectly happy spending less than an hour a day and no more. And again, I'm like not even thinking about my trades outside of it, really. I've got way too much else going on, and it's working awesome. And I want to share that energy with you guys. I want to be someone you can trust who isn't telling you there's only one way. I do have a system that I sell, and I'm not here to sell the system in this video, but I'm not here to say that's the only way to trade. I am saying, though, that this is back-tested with hundreds of years of data, and you're going to learn some really awesome, valuable things by looking at that back-testing data and playing around with the system. And again, even though I don't even trade that system exactly, I use a lot of components from that system of things that I learned, of what makes a signal good, where should a stop loss be, what's effective, asset selection, and so on. So yeah, I just want to share that energy with you. You can be profitable trading any asset with a number of styles, and it doesn't on a number of time frames. I do think there's certain ways that are easier, but it really depends how you're wired, everybody's wired different. I'm wired different. I don't know anyone that trades exactly the same, so I don't know why people think you need to trade this. Again, comment down below if you think you know why. I don't know why. I think maybe it has to do with something to do with like protecting the ego. A need to be right, maybe. I think it's like, yeah. So part of it, people trade for different reasons. Some people have maybe a need to be right. And it's like, I discovered something, my way works, therefore no other way works. Like somebody else making money another way is like, threatens their rightness. I don't know. I don't fully understand it. But I will say, if you're going to trade, again, this is the third psychological thing. Make sure you're trading for the right reason. And what that reason should be is to make money. If you want a self-development tool, which trading is, sign up to run a marathon. If you want entertainment and a rush, go skydiving, right? If you want validation, get fit and post your body on social media. Trading should not be the arena for, oh, I'm right, oh, this is fun, oh, everybody look how smart I am. Trading should be a little asterisk of your day in the background that's just multiplying your savings and making you wealthy, right? The point of trading is wealth creation. Let's never forget that. It's not meant to be a fun game. If it is, you can have fun and you can lose money and still have fun. It's just meant to make money, right? And I don't think there's anything wrong with that. And I mean, again, that's also a lot of the market wizards. I'm in this business to make money, right? If you just want a challenge, you could climb a mountain, right? It's not going to pay you, right? If you just want to make, I think this is actually a great attitude. People say, oh, you're not going to make money that way because I have a different belief. You can make money loving trading. You can make money hating trading. It comes down to, it's a business, right? I like as a business that I can make a lot of money in a little bit of time. It's awesome. But I don't need to love it, right? Or want to do it all the time. If anything, that's makes it as a negative, makes it harder, right? And it keeps things in perspective. Like when I clock in, like, this is for my current and future dependents. I'm not in this for entertainment, right? What am I going to tell the people in my life, like, oh, I lost money because I wanted to trade a lot and it was entertaining and I loved it and it was self-development tool and it was, all the journey. No, it's just like, I'm bringing food to the table. That's all trading is. I don't need to be right. I don't need to catch every move. I don't need to do it your way. And at the same time, you don't need to do it my way. Trade however you want. I don't care. I'm not threatened by knowing that someone's making a fortune in stocks and somebody's long Bitcoin and I'm not. And somebody's long XRP and I'm not. And this guy's trading Forex with no stops. I really don't care. I think it's awesome. And I'm just going to keep doing it my way. And also, I guess a last point I'll make here is the fact that there's so many ways to do it is why you can make money as a solo trader. Why? Because of the niche, right? You can go and do something really specific, right? I'm looking at things hardly anyone looks at. You don't need to do it my way. You can go to some other corner of this large universe and focus on some little thing and you can have an advantage there, right? So do what's natural for you. Don't base your life around trading. Base trading around your life, where it fits in your life and your personality, and let's get rich together, but not doing it the exact same way. All right, appreciate y'all, much love, peace.